Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend break-even income calculation for $7,500 monthly income. Many investors want to know how much money they need invested to generate a large monthly dividend income. So, in this example, we will calculate the break-even portfolio amount needed to earn $7,500 every month from dividends. First, we begin by setting the monthly income goal. Here, the target is $7,500 per month in dividend income. This means the portfolio should generate $7,500 every month without selling the original investment. Next, we convert the monthly income goal into an annual income goal. Since dividend yield is usually calculated on a yearly basis, we multiply $7,500 by 12 months. As a result, $7,500 multiplied by 12 equals $90,000 per year. So, the portfolio needs to produce $90,000 annually in dividend income. After that, we choose an expected dividend yield. Dividend yield shows how much income an investment may generate each year compared to the amount invested. For example, a 4% dividend yield means the portfolio may produce 4% of its value as annual dividend income. Then, we use the main formula. The required portfolio equals the annual income goal divided by the dividend yield. In this case, the annual income goal is $90,000, so we divide $90,000 by the expected dividend yield. Now, let's look at the example using a 4% dividend yield. First, we convert 4% into decimal form, which is 0.04. Then we divide $90,000 by 0.04. This gives us $2,250,000. Therefore, at a 4% dividend yield, you would need about $2.25 million invested to earn around $7,500 per month, or $90,000 per year, in dividend income. However, the required investment amount changes depending on the dividend yield. At a 2% yield, you would need about $4,500,000 invested. At a 3% yield, you would need around $3 million. At a 4% yield, the target is $2,250,000. At a 5% yield, the required portfolio becomes about $1,800,000. And at a 6% yield, you would need about $1,500,000. So, as the dividend yield becomes higher, the amount of money needed to reach the same income goal becomes lower. Nevertheless, higher yield does not always mean better investment quality. A very high yield may come with more risk, unstable payments, or possible dividend cuts. In addition, dividend income can change over time. Companies may increase, reduce, or stop dividend payments depending on earnings, cash flow, market conditions, and business performance. Taxes, fees, and inflation can also reduce the actual income received. Furthermore, investors should focus on quality companies or funds with a strong history of consistent dividends. A reliable dividend strategy is usually built on patience, diversification, and realistic expectations. Also, reinvesting dividends before depending on them for income can help the portfolio grow faster. When dividends are used to buy more shares, those additional shares may produce more dividend income in the future. So, the key takeaway is simple. To earn $7,500 every month from dividends, you need $90,000 per year in dividend income. Using the formula annual income goal divided by dividend yield, the break-even investment amount at a 4% yield is $2,250,000. Finally, remember that this calculation is for educational and illustration purposes only. It is not financial advice, and actual results may vary depending on investment choices, dividend changes, taxes, fees, inflation, and market conditions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.